Good morning, welcome to a look at the week ahead, starting the 26th of May. Relatively busy week with some important numbers coming out. Probably the standout number is US GDP. Everyone's going to be looking at that as to how strong the US recovery is going to be. There may be some seasonal factors in there from a reasonably harsh winter and a recovery. So I think that's going to be the main figure that's going to be looked at to see whether the tapering is going to be on the agenda and how quickly. We've seen US Treasuries fall despite the fact tapering is going to be done. So Yellen has done an incredibly good job of convincing the market that the pace is going to be well managed. On top of that, this week we've got a raft of Fed speakers who will be coming from probably a unified voice, setting the tone, managing expectations for the markets. We've seen them begin to mention raises now, and the market is seen to be accepting it and probably will start to call for interest rate rises fairly soon. We've got German unemployment figures, which again will probably show that Germany is recovering pretty strongly, while the rest of Europe suffers. In the UK, the standout figure is house pricing. That's on Tuesday. House pricing really is the main topic as to why interest rates in the UK should go up. Any significant rise in house pricing is going to reignite the debate that shows that the Bank of England should be raising interest rates this year to try and calm the house price market. It will be worth looking during that figure to see if there's any regionality, if you could strip London out of it, and to see how that affects the rest of the UK as a whole and the recovery. The other main thing is the election results. We're going to have elections out of the Ukraine, the result from that. Also European elections, which will set the political landscape for the next coming years. And also Thailand with its military coup, to see what happens there with the political return to political democracy and how that is managed. Have a good week's trading. Cheers.